The INFINITI Drive Mode Selector allows you to optimize vehicle performance by selecting the mode that best suits the conditions and your driving preference. Touch this key on the center display and then select the desired mode. The available drive modes are: Personal mode is used for adjusting the acceleration, steering effort, suspension, if so equipped, trace control and drive modes. Standard mode is used for normal driving. This mode is selected first each time the engine is started. Eco mode adjusts engine and transmission output to enhance fuel economy. Sport mode adjusts steering response, suspension settings, if so equipped, and engine and transmission points for a better response. Tow mode is used when pulling a trailer or heavy load. Snow mode aids in driving on slippery surfaces. If you would like to adjust the personal mode settings, use these controls to select settings. Vehicle settings. Drive mode selector, then select the system you would like to adjust. If you would like to adjust the eco mode settings, use these controls to select settings. Eco mode setting, then select the option you would like to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.